Can you make crispy, crunchy potato chips in the microwave? Yes! Let me show you how. Start with a potato. Now this is a russet potato, but you can do this with pretty much any potato. And I rinsed it and dried it first. You don't want to have any dirt or anything on the outside. You can peel it if you want, but I'm going to leave the peel on. And now we want to cut this into our potato shapes. And I use a mandolin slicer. It's super easy. You can use a knife as well. This just makes it a lot faster and makes the potato slices a lot more uniform. You want the slices to be between 1/16 and 1/8 of an inch thick. If they are too thick, they just won't crisp up very easily. All right, that's good for now. And so I got my little potato slices here. See how thin they are? There we go. And now I'm going to take a plate, and I have some olive oil here, and I just have it in my little spray bottle. That way I don't have to use a bunch of aerosol cans of, those are kind of expensive, $3 or $4 per can. And this, I can just keep refilling this, and then you don't have to deal with any of the aerosol spray. And then I'm going to spray my plate here with some olive oil. And we'll take these little potato slices, and we're going to arrange them on this plate. Okay. Like so. Pretty easy. And then I'm going to give them a little spray on the top here. And if you don't have a spray bottle, you can just come in here and just use a little bit of oil, drizzle it on, and then just wipe it with a basting brush. And at this point, I'm going to give it a little bit of seasoning. And then with the oil, the salt will help with the stick. And then we can add seasonings later. Now into the microwave it goes. Alrighty, there we go. I'm going to start with 2 minutes and see where that gets us. Alright, that was after 2 minutes. It definitely needed a little bit longer. You can see it starting to curl, and definitely it's still soft. Let's go longer. Alright, you can see that these are a lot more crispy, a little bit brown. That's what we want. And if you don't use enough oil, then they are going to stick to the plate. But there we go, pretty awesome. So you could try that method where you spray the microwave safe plate and then put the potato slices down right on the plate. Sometimes it will stick. Or you might want to try the parchment paper method. And I just cut around the plate, the parchment paper, so it fits the plate just like that. And now let's just throw these little slices down. That's good. I'm going to give it a spray. Some salt. And then into the microwave it goes. Again, somewhere between 2 and 5 minutes, somewhere in there. It depends on the thickness of the potato and also how large that potato slice is, and also the wattage of your microwave. All right, there we go. I do prefer the parchment paper way because the chips don't stick. And then you can toss the bowl of chips with some more salt or other flavorings, paprika, ranch powder, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and cook up the rest of these potato slices. There you go. That is how you make crispy, crunchy potato chips in the microwave. Just keep in mind that you have to make sure to use a microwave safe plate, and the parchment paper method is better than just putting the slices of potato right on the plate. And also make sure to use a hot mitt when you're grabbing that plate out of the microwave. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. So yeah.